Hey guys, Alex from modernhealthmonk.com here. I'm quickly going to show you how to use some trigger points for fixing knee pain. So there's a couple I'm going to go over, and just check out the videos, try it out. Usually from experimentation you can find out where the points are because they're not always easy to find, but yeah, play with them, you'll figure them out. Alright guys, so the first one I'm going to show you is the Vastus medialis. Vastus medialis basically comes up from the hip, scoops down, kind of loops down to the knee, and the way you find this point is basically take your leg, turn it so your thigh is open. You're going to kind of just poke with your thumbs on the inside, and right about halfway down your thigh you're going to feel the first trigger point. And it's right, just kind of dead center on the inside of your thigh, and you're just going to use your thumbs, and once you find it then you can kind of use your knuckle, you can even use your elbow, right? So there's the first point, right in there. You're just going to want to massage it using a knuckle. You could even use, a hard object, elbow, that kind of thing. The next one is, you just want to kind of follow this muscle all the way down to the knee. So vastus medialis kind of goes all the way through here, and then you hit that first trigger point, keep going, and you'll feel it all the way until about here, a little bit, like 2 inches above the knee on the inside. And those are the two big points you want to be deeply massaging throughout the day. So, first one about midway inside of the thigh. Second one is closer to the knee. But anything between there is where you'll find lots of tension. You can just massage that out, and it'll help with some of the knee pain. Alright guys, next trigger point I'm going to show you is called the rectus femoris. Rectus femoris basically runs from top of the hip down to the top of the knee. So if you have pain under your kneecap, or even on top, kind of like quad tendonitis, this will help with that. Basically the way you find it is when you lift your leg, the rectus femoris activates. So just lift your leg, you'll feel like right up on your hip, like all the way up here, you'll feel this muscle pop up. That's your rectus femoris, right? And then if you're still unsure, extend your knee, it'll get even tighter, it'll pop up more. So lift up, you feel it, extend your knee, feel it even harder. Right there is where your first potential trigger point is. It feels like a big, like a meaty, like a thick knot kind of thing, right? And you can just massage it out with your fingers, and then you can follow it down. So the first point is right up here, right near the groin hip attachment. From there, you can follow it down, just kind of massage it with your thumb, elbow, whatever, even use a tennis ball against the wall. And the second point is kind of halfway down. Now I don't have any here for whatever reason, but sometimes you'll get about halfway down and there's a terrible one right in between the leg. So check out those two. Remember how you find it. Lift the leg, you'll feel it activate. Straighten the knee, you'll feel it pop up even more. And right there near the groin attachment, you'll feel it. And then follow that all the way down, about halfway, you'll find another one right up here. Alright guys, last one I'm going to show you is the Vastus lateralis. Vastus lateralis basically kind of runs from the hip, outside to the knee, kind of like where you think about the IT band being, if you don't know the anatomy that well. Kind of runs all along the outside here, from your butt all the way to the knee, right? So Vastus lateralis, the trigger points aren't exactly clear all the time. Sometimes they're here, sometimes they're like right here, 1, 2, 3, like on the IT band, and sometimes it's right here above the knee. And so I'm just going to show you a few. I mean, check out my myofascial release video when I show you how to roll out the quad's IT band. It'll hit a lot of those. It usually really hurts mid-quad, like right there is where it really kills. But also, the one I want to show you is the obvious one here. It's really easier to roll this out using, like rolling on a baseball bat using a foam roller or something, because it's hard to get enough pressure on these with your hands. But the one you can do is down here near the knee. So this is on the outside of my knee, and you're going to kind of follow the outside as it comes back up to the knee. So I'm going middle of my leg, following it, and right there, right there is this is a trigger point, and it's just kind of center outside of your knee. That's part of your vastus lateralis, and you just want to kind of massage that one out, like ironing it out, you know, and that'll help a lot with knee pain as well. The other thing is that the standing quad stretch gets that a little bit too. So combination of those two, you'll see a lot of improvement, especially for outside knee pain. So check that one out.